Someone in the comments of my last video said, and I quote, "I bought the wrong drone and now it's just collecting dust in my closet. That was a $400 mistake." And the scary part? Most people watching this video right now are about to make the exact same one because they're Googling best DJI drone and trusting some random list that was written by someone who has never actually flown a single one of these things. I have, all 7 of them. And today, I'm going to save you from making that expensive mistake. Let's get into it. Drone 7, DJI Mini 4K starting the countdown at number 7. And I want to be really clear here, being number 7 on this list does not mean this drone is bad. It means it's built for a very specific person, and for that person, it is absolutely perfect. The DJI Mini 4K is, without question, the best entry-level drone DJI has ever made. At under 249 grams, it skips the whole registration headache that comes with heavier drones. You literally unfold it, tap a button, and it lifts off. No complex setup, no confusing modes, just clean, simple flying. Now, don't let the beginner label fool you. The 4K odd camera on this thing is genuinely impressive for the price point. Your sunrise shots, your beach vacation clips, your golden hour rooftop footage, it all comes out crisp and cinematic thanks to a solid 3-axis gimbal that keeps the footage smooth even when the wind decides to show up uninvited. The quick shots feature is honestly one of my favorite things about this drone. With a single tap, it'll fly a helix, rocket, boomerang, circle, or droney shot automatically. So even if you've never flown a drone in your life, you can still pull off shots that look like they came from a Hollywood production set. Battery life is surprisingly generous too. With the Fly More kit, you're getting up to 93 combined minutes of flight time across 3 batteries. That's a full day of shooting without constantly running back to your bag in a panic. And the 10-kilometer HD transmission range means you can fly with confidence without your video feed turning into a glitchy mess halfway through a shot. One-tap takeoff, auto-landing, GPS return to home, the safety features are dialed in for someone who's just learning the ropes. The Mini 4K is for beginners, first-time drone buyers, budget-conscious travelers, and anyone who wants to try drone footage without committing to a 4-figure investment. Price range, entry-level under $300 USD. Absolutely no complaints for what it is. It does exactly what it promises. Drone 6, DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 is DJI's next-generation ultra-lightweight drone, designed to make aerial photography and videography accessible to everyone, from complete beginners to experienced content creators looking for a portable flying camera. Building on the success of the original Neo, the Neo 2 introduces several important upgrades, including a more capable camera system that records crisp 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, improved image stabilization, enhanced subject tracking, and advanced obstacle sensing technology using front-facing LiDAR. These improvements help the drone fly more safely and capture smoother, more professional-looking footage in a wider variety of environments. One of the Neo 2's biggest strengths is its compact and lightweight design. Weighing only about 151 grams, it is small enough to fit in a jacket pocket while still offering impressive performance. The drone features built-in propeller guards, making it safer to fly around people and reducing the risk of damage from minor collisions. This design is especially appealing to first-time drone users, vloggers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a simple, reliable drone that can be launched quickly without carrying bulky equipment. The Neo 2 also focuses heavily on intelligent automation. DJI has improved its tracking capabilities, allowing the drone to follow people, cyclists, runners, and other moving subjects more accurately than before. Automated flight modes enable users to capture cinematic shots with a single tap, while advanced stabilization ensures footage remains smooth even during dynamic movements. The drone can be controlled through multiple methods, including smartphone control, dedicated DJI controllers, and compatible FPV accessories, giving users flexibility depending on their shooting style. Another major improvement is the enhanced flight experience. The Neo 2 offers better positioning, more reliable obstacle detection, and improved flight efficiency, helping users feel more confident while flying. Whether capturing travel adventures, family activities, sports content, or social media videos, the drone is designed to deliver high-quality results without requiring extensive piloting skills. Combined with upgraded onboard storage and DJI's user-friendly software ecosystem, the Neo 2 provides a complete content creation platform in an incredibly small package. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 represents a significant step forward for compact drones. It combines portability, intelligent features, strong safety systems, and high-quality video performance into a lightweight aircraft that is easy to carry and simple to operate. For creators who want a convenient drone capable of producing impressive footage without the complexity of larger professional models, the Neo 2 stands out as one of the most attractive options in DJI's lineup. Drone 5. DJI Air 3S. At number 5, we hit what I personally consider the sweet spot of the entire DJI 2026 lineup. The Air 3S is the drone that doesn't compromise. It's not a beginner toy, and it's not an intimidating professional rig. It's the drone that a serious hobbyist or part-time professional creator can grow with for years. The headline feature is the 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera. Now, sensor size matters enormously in photography and videography. The bigger the sensor, the more light it can capture, which means better image quality, especially in challenging conditions. And the Air 3S in low light is honestly a revelation. Nighttime cityscapes, dusk golden hour, overcast midday, it handles all of it with natural color, controlled highlights, and roughly 14 stops of dynamic range. What does 14 stops of dynamic range mean to you? It means when you're filming a sunset over the ocean and the sky is brilliantly bright while the water below is dark, both the bright sky and the dark water stay properly exposed in the same shot. No more choosing between a well-exposed sky and a silhouetted foreground. You get both. The medium telecamera is a fantastic bonus that a lot of people overlook. It lets you tighten your frame and get closer to your subject, a rooftop, a mountain peak, a distant shoreline without physically flying closer and risking your signal or your drone's safety. Panorama mode automatically stitches wide-angle landscape shots together into a single clean image. For landscape photographers, this is a hidden gem feature. Safety-wise, the Air 3S is equipped with forward-facing LiDAR and full omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It can navigate safely even at night or in cluttered environments, something that matters a lot when you're flying in unfamiliar locations. Flight time reaches up to 45 minutes, and the 20-kilometer transmission range gives you a clean, stable video feed at distances that most creators will never even push to their limit. The Air 3S is for serious hobbyists, travel filmmakers who want pro-level results, content creators who film frequently and in varied conditions, and real estate or events videographers who need reliable quality at a reasonable price. Price range: upper mid-range around $1,000, $1,100 USD. Alright, we are halfway through the list, and if you've been paying attention, you've probably already narrowed down which tier of drone makes sense for your situation. But here's what I really need you to stick around for. The top 4 on this list is where things get seriously interesting. We've got a drone that's going to challenge everything you thought you knew about compact cameras. We've got a mid-range pick that honestly punches way above its price bracket. And then we've got the number 1 drone, the one that made that jaw-dropping footage I showed you at the beginning of this video. I'm also going to show you a quick side-by-side comparison of all 7 drones at the very end: specs, price, and who it's for, all in one chart. So even if you leave this video not knowing which one to buy, that chart is going to sort you out instantly. Don't go anywhere. Drone 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and here we are. Number 4. I want to show you something before I say a single word about specs. That footage was taken at 6K resolution, in HDR, directly from the Mavic 4 Pro. No color grading, no noise reduction in post, no filters. That is what this drone gives you straight out of the box. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is not just the best drone DJI has released in 2026. It is without question the best consumer drone that exists on the planet right now, and I do not say that casually. Let's start with the camera. The 100-megapixel Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS sensor shoots up to 6K at 60 frames per second in HDR. 100 megapixels. For context, most professional mirrorless cameras used by full-time commercial photographers shoot between 24 and 50 megapixels. This drone in the sky is capturing more detail than most cameras sitting on a tripod on the ground. The Hasselblad color science, which you experienced in the Mavic 3 Classic, is here too, but tuned even further. Colors are natural, rich, and gorgeous without trying too hard. The dual telephoto lens system gives you professional-grade reach without any meaningful loss in footage quality. You can zoom in on a distant subject, and the image stays crisp, detailed, and smooth. That kind of optical reach used to require specialized camera equipment that cost more than this entire drone. And with a third medium tele-lens rounding out the tri-camera system, you have 3 distinct focal lengths to work with: wide, medium, and long, without ever swapping a lens or changing position. The Infinity Gimbal is something else. It offers a full 360-degree rotational range, meaning the drone can execute camera moves that normally require expensive cinema gear or full production rigs. Sweeping reveals, dramatic tilts, vertical pans, all of it is available at the touch of a controller. Flying safely at night, the Mavic 4 Pro's 0.1 Lux Night's Cape obstacle sensing means this drone can see and avoid obstacles in near total darkness. The low-light obstacle sensing capability alone puts it in a completely different league from everything else. Flight time reaches up to 51 minutes. The O4 Plus transmission system reaches 30 kilometers with a stable 10-bit HDR live feed the entire time. The ARSC Pro 2 controller features a 7-inch high-brightness display that stays perfectly visible in direct sunlight, and it rotates for seamless switching between horizontal and vertical shooting orientations. This drone is genuinely a complete filmmaking system in a affordable package. It bridges the gap between consumer convenience and professional cinema quality in a way that no drone has managed before it. Is it the most expensive drone on this list? Yes. Is it worth every single penny for the right creator? Absolutely, without hesitation. The Mavic 4 Pro is for professional videographers, commercial drone pilots, filmmakers, real estate and tourism creators, and any serious creator who refuses to compromise on image quality and wants the absolute best tool available. Price range: Flagship around $2,699 USD with RC2. The Creator Combo with RC Pro 2 and 512 GB storage runs higher. Drone 3. DJI Avata 360. The DJI Avata 360 is a groundbreaking drone that combines DJI's trusted FPV flight experience with the power of full 360-degree video capture, giving creators an entirely new way to film from the sky. Equipped with dual ultra-wide cameras capable of recording stunning 8K 360 footage, the drone captures everything around it during flight, allowing users to choose the perfect camera angle and composition later during editing. This means you can focus on flying while the drone records every perspective, making it easier than ever to create professional-looking cinematic content. Whether you're filming action sports, travel adventures, outdoor activities, or social media content, the ability to reframe footage after the flight opens up creative possibilities that traditional drones simply cannot match. The Avata 360 features a rugged Cinewhoop-style design with built-in propeller guards, making it safer for close-range flights around people, objects, and tight spaces. DJI has also included advanced obstacle sensing technology and intelligent flight features to help pilots fly with greater confidence. Combined with DJI's renowned stabilization system, the drone delivers exceptionally smooth video even during fast turns, dives, and dynamic FPV maneuvers. This makes the Avata 360 suitable for both beginners who want an easy-to-fly 360 camera drone and experienced pilots looking for more creative freedom in their aerial footage. Another standout feature is its impressive flight performance. With approximately 23 minutes of flight time on a single battery, pilots can spend more time capturing content and less time swapping batteries. The drone supports both traditional DJI controllers and immersive FPV control options, allowing users to choose the flying style that best suits their needs. Its lightweight yet durable construction, intelligent safety systems, and powerful imaging capabilities make it a versatile tool for creators across many different industries. For content creators, the Avata 360 offers significant advantages in post-production. Instead of worrying about keeping a subject perfectly framed during flight, users can adjust the camera angle afterward, create smooth virtual camera movements, and export footage in multiple formats for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. This flexibility can save time while producing more dynamic and engaging videos. By combining advanced imaging technology, user-friendly flight features, and DJI's proven reliability, the DJI Avata 360 stands out as one of the most innovative drones available, offering a unique blend of FPV excitement and 360-degree creative freedom. Drone 2. DJI Mini 5 Pro at number 2, and this was a genuinely difficult call, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone took everything that made the Mini lineup lovable and upgraded it in ways that I honestly didn't think were possible in a sub-250-gram package. Let me just list a few of the things that make this drone remarkable, and then I'll explain why they matter more than they sound on paper. 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K at 60 frames per second in HDR, 42 gigabytes of internal storage, 225-degree gimbal rotation, nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing with LiDAR and vision sensors, active track 360. Up to 52 minutes of flight time with the Plus battery. Now, let me translate that out of tech speak. A 1-inch sensor in a drone under 250 grams is almost absurd. DJI essentially took the sensor size that used to be reserved for professional drones, costing thousands of dollars, and fitted it into something you can slide into your jacket pocket. In low light, and I tested this extensively, the footage quality gap between the Mini 5 Pro and drones 3 times its weight is smaller than you'd ever expect. Night shots are clean. Details are preserved. There's minimal noise. The 42 gigabytes of internal storage finally solves one of the most frustrating problems with mini drones running out of storage in the field because you forgot an SD card, or because your card filled up mid-shoot. That headache is gone. The 225-degree gimbal rotation, combined with true vertical mode, gives you incredible framing flexibility. Whether you're shooting wide cinematic landscape horizontals or native vertical content for social media, the camera physically moves to get you the shot without any cropping or quality sacrifice. Obstacle sensing with LiDAR makes flying in tighter spaces, and at night far more confident. The Active Track 360 has been significantly improved. It locks onto moving subjects and actually follows them without the drifting or losing the subject problem that plagued earlier Mini models. If it's so good, why isn't it number one? One reason. We'll get to that in a moment. The Mini 5 Pro is for professional content creators who need portability without sacrificing quality, travel videographers who fly in international locations with strict drone weight regulations, and social media creators who shoot both horizontal and vertical content regularly. Price range: premium compact around $800, $900 USD. Drone 1. DJI Lito X1 Final Number 1. The DJI Lito X1 is one of the most impressive compact drones DJI has introduced in recent years, combining advanced technology, excellent image quality, and beginner-friendly features in a lightweight package. Weighing just 249 grams, the drone remains highly portable and can be flown under simpler regulations in many countries. Despite its small size, the Lito X1 features a powerful 48MP camera with a large 113-inch CMOS sensor, allowing it to capture sharp photos, vibrant colors, and detailed 4K video at up to 100 frames per second. Whether you're filming travel adventures, creating YouTube content, shooting real estate videos, or simply capturing beautiful landscapes, the camera delivers impressive results that rival much larger and more expensive drones. One of the standout features of the Lito X1 is its advanced safety system. DJI has equipped the drone with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and front-facing LiDAR technology, helping it detect and avoid obstacles more effectively than many drones in its class. This makes flying safer for beginners while giving experienced pilots extra confidence when navigating through complex environments such as forests, urban areas, or tight spaces. The drone also includes intelligent flight modes and AI-powered subject tracking, allowing users to create cinematic shots with minimal effort. Simply select a subject, and the drone can automatically follow, orbit, or track movement while keeping the camera locked on target. Flight performance is another area where the Lito X1 shines. It offers up to 36 minutes of flight time on a standard battery, providing plenty of time to capture footage without constantly worrying about landing to recharge. DJI's advanced stabilization and flight control systems keep the drone remarkably stable, even in moderate wind conditions, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage. The built-in storage is another convenient feature, allowing users to start recording immediately even if they forget a memory card. Combined with DJI's reliable transmission system and user-friendly controls, the Lito X1 delivers a flying experience that feels polished and dependable. Overall, the DJI Lito X1 is designed for a wide range of users, from first-time drone owners to experienced content creators looking for a lightweight travel companion. It successfully combines premium features such as a large sensor, 4K slow-motion video, LiDAR-assisted obstacle avoidance, intelligent tracking, and long battery life into a compact drone that is easy to carry anywhere. For anyone seeking a powerful yet portable drone capable of producing professional quality aerial content, the DJI Lito X1 stands out as one of the best options available in 2026. Final recommendation, all right, let's bring it all home. Here's your quick reference guide for every drone we covered today. Quick decision framework before you go shopping. If your budget is under $400 and you're brand new to drones, the Mini 4K or Mini 3 are your picks, depending on how much you value vertical shooting. If you want something wild and cinematic and you're not afraid of a bit of a learning experience, the Avata 2 is unlike anything else in this price range. If you want the best all-round drone that handles every type of content without limitations, the Air 3S is the one I'd recommend to most people watching this video right now. It's the sweet spot of the entire lineup. If image quality is non-negotiable and you're a serious filmmaker, the Mavic 3 Classic or Mavic 4 Pro. The Classic if you want to save some money. The Pro if you want the best that money can buy. And if you need a compact professional drone that travels without weight restrictions, the Mini 5 Pro is borderline miraculous for its size.